All right, how's it? Why did I buy a used 2017 CRF 250 Rally? Quick story, 2020, July 2020, flew to Denver, rented a bike, Yamaha 10RA 1200, and went exploring all through Colorado. Now, none of it was off-road, it was all asphalt. But that kind of gave me the taste of adventure riding. The bug bit, I got back, and I was like, man, I gotta do this. Did my research, ended up choosing a Suzuki DR650. So bought a DR650 at the beginning of this year. I've been building it out into an adventure bike. It's almost done, almost exactly how I want it. And then I did a bunch of solo trips through the North Georgia mountains, Tennessee, North Carolina, finding all the places that I really enjoy. And so after doing that, I was like, man, for 2022, I want to take friends up there and show them what I found. So the next step was to choose a bike that would be able to accommodate my buddies who are experienced riders, my buddies that are inexperienced, or even my buddies who've just been street riders their whole life, like I was, and now I want to get a taste of the dirt. So did my research and came across the CRF 250 Rally, and it kind of checks all the boxes in that regard. I was like, for an experienced rider, still going to be able to have a bunch of fun on it. For an inexperienced rider, they're going to be able to ride this and not be intimidated. The motor is super smooth, it's super tame. It's actually from the 250 street bike. So nothing crazy, super reliable. And that's how I ended up picking up this one. Now, it's definitely been ridden. It looks good, but it's been ridden. I can see, you know what I mean, there's a little bit of work that needs to be done to it. I'm going to do a beefier skid plate on it, and maybe some engine guards, we'll see. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take down these fairings, clean it out, see exactly what's going on underneath this, and just give it a good old clean. And then I'm going to do an oil change, filter change, and an air filter change on it, and probably swap out the exhaust as well. But that's about it. Other than that, and put some bark busters on it. But that's about it. I'm going to leave it pretty mild, not too much into this. Like I said, this is going to become the friend's bike. So this will be the loaner. And that's going to be the title for 2022. It's going to be Adventures with Friends. So Uli the Bully Adventures with Friends. Anyway, that's my quick story of why I bought this Honda CRF 250 Rally. On to the next adventure.